Hi guys, welcome back to Kendal SEAT. My name's Lewis and today I've got for you this lovely SEAT Ibiza FR finished in the gorgeous Eclipse orange metallic paint. So we've got the Nora black cloth FR interior. So this car's just had the one owner from new. Comes with a full Kendal SEAT service history. So you know it's been looked after. We've got LED headlights and taillights. We've got sat-nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio and full link, which is the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And that's all shown just on that screen in the middle. We've got aircon. It's a 5-speed manual 1 litre version. We've got cruise control. As you can see up there, I've done 11,715 miles. And I've got the multifunctional steering wheel with audio and trip computer controls. And it's got the red stitching and the FR logo just at the bottom. And that black cloth interior carries onto the front seats. Again with the red sports stitching, just to give that car a little bit extra. That's just a couple of the features that come on it, along with a long list of others. If you're interested or if you want any more information on it, feel free to get in touch with us. You can give us a call on the number down below. You can drop us a message on our Facebook page, or you can come visit us in person as well. We're based in the north of Kendal, just by the Morrisons, on Queen Katherine Avenue. So that's all guys, thank you very much, bye for now.